Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unikum German Classes. In today's session, we will explore the German alphabet in a clear and simple way. The German alphabet consists of 26 letters similar to the English alphabet, plus a few additional characters just like A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, and etc. We'll start by pronouncing each letter and highlight the unique sounds of these special characters. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to improve your pronunciation, this session will provide valuable insights. So, grab a notebook and let's dive into the fascinating world of the German language together. Die Buchstaben A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K और K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Epsilon, Z. Die spezielle Buchstaben A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, etc. Keep practicing the alphabet every day. It's really the key to unlocking German. Get the sounds right and you'll be reading German fluently and faster than you think. I hope everything we learned today clicked for you. Got questions? Just pop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. If you want to get notified with the new videos, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.